Role of government in healthcare, part 2. Role of government in healthcare. It is the responsibility of the government to provide better and quality healthcare services to all citizens. Government should take measures to improve drinking and cooking water quality and to keep surrounding and environment clean. By adopting these, many diseases can be prevented from getting spread. The story of Hakim Sheikh. Listen to the story and then imagine that you are a judge in the court. What would you say to Hakim Sheikh? So let's start the story. Hakim Sheikh was a member of a Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. One evening in 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He was in a very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. He was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but they refused to admit him because they did not have a spare bed. Another hospital did not have the facility or the specialized doctors necessary for his treatment. In this way, he spent 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. Finally, he was admitted in a private hospital where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment, angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all hospitals that refused to admit him. Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court. Healthcare in India. Compare and contrast situation. India has a large number of doctors, clinics and hospitals. It also has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. This system of hospitals and health centers is run by the government. It has the ability to look after the health of a large section of its population scattered over lakhs of villages. There has been a phenomenal improvement in medical sciences with many technologies and treatment procedures. But on the other side of healthcare in India, most doctors settle in urban areas, less doctors in rural areas. 2 million cases of malaria and 5 lakh cases of tuberculosis every year. Waterborne communicable diseases like diarrhea, hepatitis on the rise. About 21% has no access to clean water. Half of all children are malnourished. Private health on rise and public healthcare system has not grown as per the need. It is sad that health situation in our country is very poor. We are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. Our country has the money, knowledge and people with experience but cannot make the necessary healthcare available to all because of certain shortcomings on our part. Government measures. The government can take steps to provide healthcare for all by increasing the number of hospitals, healthcare centers and family welfare centers, organizing free camps for checkup of general public, organizing pulse polio campaigns, etc. The Kerala experience in healthcare. Kerala. Some major changes were made by the Kerala government in 1996. The panchayats were allocated 40% of the state budget. This enabled the panchayats in planning and providing for their requirements well. This helped the village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food and women's development and education. Costa Rican approach about health. Costa Rica is amongst the healthiest nations in South America. This could be possible because of an important decision made by the Costa Rican government. Many years ago, Costa Rica decided not to have an army. It was assumed that instead of wasting the money on armed forces, it was more important to spend that on public health, education and on other basic needs of the people. Public healthcare system is meant to provide quality services either free or at a low cost, diagnose and investigate health problems and health hazards in the community. They also inform, educate and empower people about health issues. They develop policies and plans that support individual and community health efforts. They even enforce laws and regulations that protect health and ensure safety. They link people to needed personal health services and assure the provision of health care when otherwise unavailable. They assure competent public and personal health care workforce. They evaluate effectiveness, accessibility and quality of personal and population-based health services. They research for new insights and innovative solutions to health problems. Anganwadis. Anganwadi is a type of rural child care center in India. They were started by the Indian government in 1975 as part of the Integrated Child Development Services program to combat child hunger and malnutrition. Anganwadi means courtyard shelter in Indian languages.